Hey people, well I just wanted to revisit this fan here. This is my 1977 Kmart Lakewood model K-223. The reason we're revisiting this fan is because it's now got a new box. This was in much better shape than the one it originally had. This box originally came with the second generation K-223 that I went off of eBay. That one's going to my friend Tori Isles, or Tori the Fan Man. This box is in pretty much decent shape. It's got that nice patriotic design. It's got the first gen blade K-223 diagram. Kmart, model number K-223, 20-inch 3-speed whisper quiet fan. All the features. You can pause this if you want to read it, otherwise I'm going to continue on. Have an overall look at the box. This is one side. A little bit of wear there, not bad. Here's the other side. There's the back. Yeah, it's got a little bit of wear down there too. The only really bad part on this whole box is the bottom. It's really ripped up down there, but thankfully that's it. The rest of the box is in okay shape. There's a little bit of the shipping information left. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. Y'all. Yeah, when I put the fan in this box for the first time, I noticed a little bit of a surprise. Look what else came with it. Look what else came with it. Yeah. The original instruction pamphlet. How to get the best results from your Kmart fan. Yeah. Here's all this here, how your fan works, where to locate the fan, eye cooling, samples of how to get the best results, some diagrams, cleaning, care of the motors, blah blah blah. Yeah, all that good stuff. And now revisit, and now full revisit of my 77 K-223. And have a look at the box that originally came with it, which is all worn and stuff. This one currently has a second gen K-223 in it that originally came with the good box that I planned to give to my friend Tori the Fan Man. And I believe he still plans to use this box with his first gen K-223. Now, back to this fan. It's the same fan I showed a few videos ago. First gen blade set. Here's the one side. Isn't that somewhat lighter shade of blue? Lighter shade than what you get on a second gen K-223. Or at least the later sparkly sticker ones. Sparkly! There's the other side. back. Yeah, it's got the Macmillan motor. Date code on the motor is F77, meaning it's produced in June of 1977. Turn back around the front again. There's the top view. And of course got the plain blue sticker, since it is a first gen. The early second gen still had this sticker. And now here it is once again running. Here's high. Gets a bit loud, so it goes away after a while. It's medium. Low. And this one has a very nice quiet low. Back to high. And as always, O-double-F spells off. And there you have it. It's my 1977 Kmart Lakewood model K-223 with its new box and the little instruction thing. And there's its old box with the second gen K-223 in it, which is going to tour the Fan Man. So, thank you for watching. Bye for now.